everyone, welcome to my channel. Because it's summer time,
we are
going to set up
the
pool
and
swim. Boom. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. We are doing the pool now. Mommy's too lally. It's a pool.
Doon.
Let's see. Haha, you too nice. Look my swimming vlog. See, in the bata pool. Okay. Wait lang, okay? It's Mommy's tuwali, so... Mommy's tuwali, so adon. Come on! Ay! Wait lang. Wow, kiss. Okay. Yeah. What? Basta yan. Okay, with tiny yan. Hi! It's too pawisan. Let me here. This is boom bam. Pwede buha in the pool. You boom like that and you swoop like that. You swoop like that in the boom bam. You tap your feet and you swoop in the push in the button. You swoop like that. Okay?
Luna. Luna.
Hi.
Okay. Okay, we're done.
Next
We're going to fill it with water na.
Yes.
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 Na kami ng water. Wala pa, baby. Okay. Time to change.
Change.
Uy, ganda. Pretty. So, this is Luna swimming attire.
I'm so excited. Let's try it.
Are you excited?
Yes, I would
Are you
like
excited to swim?
Yes.
Hindi pa puno yung water. Excited na. Wow. If you're wondering kung saan ko nabili yung pool, sa FB Marketplace lang. Last year ko pa to binili, di ba baby? During pandemic pa. Ayan. So, ano siya? Nasa 2.5 kasama na yung pump. Yung pump manual lang, pero okay na rin. Here's Luna's toy. Sis. Yung U-turn yan. Ikot mo.
I thought you
Turtle!
winner, Totol.
Ah, sino winner?
Totol.
Turtle? Nagsizoom pa din, oh. Hala. Careful.
It's okay, Bitawan. Come on.
Ano po?
Why you hide? You hide, little buddy.
Ito ba?
Oh, love you.
No! That's it! Our ulam for today. Fried chicken and ano tamas? Ensaladang talong with kamatis and sibuyas. Let's eat! Let's eat!
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
What happened?
It's so cold. It's so cold.
One, two, three.
Go! Ang bilis talaga ng ano ah. Ang bilis ng turtle.
Ang bilis ng turtle. Lumalubog. Lumalubog. Okay, lagyan madali.
Wala na.
Wala na. Yung bubbles.
Close.
And close. Very good. Marunong na.
Laughing for you. Laughing. Laughing for you. Laughing for you. Laughing for you.
Ay. Nakainom ng water. Ay. It's okay. Ha? Oh. Pasok na yun. Ayan na naman.
It's two-sided na.
Hi.
Hi, mommy. Like a boat. It's like a boat.
Tudot na.
It's like a boat.
Tama na, pagod na mama.
It's like a boat.
I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.